Hello everyone, so if you want to change straps on your Xiaomi Watch S3, first of all, let's flip them. Now here you can find two levers on each strap. So to detach the strap, simply pull the lever and gently take off the strap. And now let's do exactly the same with the second one. So once again, lever, pull it to yourself and grab your strap. Now, if you want to attach new straps or put your old ones back, once again, grab the strap. First, put the side opposite to lever, so insert it. Now, pull the lever to your side, so the second side snugs in and fits good. So as you see, it was just one movement of my finger and the strap is back on. Let's do the same with the second one. So insert one side. Here is a little holes which you are to insert your straps to, right? So insert it to the first one. Now pull the lever and insert the second one. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.